The terminal in MT4 is where you may monitor, modify, and close your open positions and pending orders. This can be found at the bottom of your platform and is easy to navigate and very intuitive. Let's take a tour. The terminal is located at the bottom of your display below the charts. If you don't see it, simply select View from the main menu and Terminal. The main tabs are located across the bottom, and we will look at them from left to right. The leftmost tab is called Trade, and this is the one where you will spend most of your time. The upper list you see here are positions that you currently have open. This line is the state of your account, the balance of your account in cash, the equity is the balance in cash plus or minus current profit and loss, the margin is basically the amount of your equity that you have available to trade with. The orders below this line are pending orders that have not been filled yet. Each row has the order number, the date and time the order was placed, the direction, buy or sell, the position size, the symbol or asset you are trading, the price at which you entered, your set stop-loss price, your set take-profit price, the price at which your position closed, commissions deducted on certain accounts, swaps deducted or added if your trade runs day by day, and the profit or loss on each trade and the total. If you wish to modify any order, simply double-click on the order and the order ticket for that trade appears. Here we are adding our stop-loss and take-profit levels. I can type in a price, use the arrows, or set a pip level to do this. Click Modify. If you can't see the new additions or changes, just drag your price column to view above and below the current chart. I can now modify the position by dragging the lines, and the changes now appear in the terminal. Please keep in mind these positions were entered only for the purposes of making this video and are on a demo account. They represent no strategy, and these stop losses left blank are only for demonstration purposes. You should always trade with the stop loss. While we are here, let's look at another important feature of the stop loss. This trade is in profit, and I would like to take advantage of this. I can then move the stop loss line past the point of entry to guarantee some profit and no loss. In this case, I have locked in roughly 1.3% of my account, should price reverse to this point. If you had placed any comment when you entered the trade, they would appear here. Another feature is the trailing stop. Right-click on an open position and select Trailing Stop. We will deal with these in our education series, but suffice it to say that selecting 50 points, for example, will set a stop loss 5 points behind the current price. As your trade moves further into profit, the stop loss will move as well until price reverses and hits the stop loss and exits the position for a profit. In the tab Exposure, you can see where your account is exposed based on individual currencies. This is quite useful if you are following major news events. The account history is just that. You may see any closed positions, even pending orders you cancelled. If you don't see all you need, just right-click anywhere and select All History. If your broker has a news service, it will be displayed here. Your current alerts will be listed here, and we will look at these in more detail in our video on alerts and notifications. Markets is just that, with a series of links to vendors offering a variety of services and software to enhance your trading experience. Codebase is a list of hundreds of links to indicators which you may install on your MT4 platform. These will be covered in our video on custom indicators. Experts is a journal of the activity of your expert advisors, which are programs made by third-party vendors which interact with your MT4 platform. We will go into more detail in our video on MT4 expert advisors. Finally, we have a journal, which is a chronological list of everything that has happened within your MT4 platform. For day-to-day use, you will likely find that you will spend most of your time in the Trade tab and often look at your account history and perhaps alerts if you use them. To review, in this lesson we covered viewing the terminal, the components of each open or pending position as displayed, how to modify open and pending positions, how to view your current exposure in each currency, how to view your account history, how to find other trading resources, and how to view a journal of your MT4 platform activity. In the next lesson, we will look at average true range and trading volumes.